Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1964 Ford Galaxie 500XL. It is powered by a 427. It's an R-Code Tribute vehicle, two-door fastback, metallic blue. Great lines on the vehicle. The underside is just absolutely stunning as well. But before we get too far into this vehicle, just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. The cars will range about 80% domestic classic cars, and then the other 20% will be European and or exotic cars. We also do full restorations as well, mostly C2 Corvettes, but we have the capability of doing just about anything. As you see, a couple C2s back here in process. We're located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, as I mentioned, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. If I'm going too fast with the video and you like to see other angles or different pictures of the vehicle, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have several pictures of the vehicle, the interior, engine bay, trunk, underside, and you can see those on our website. If you have questions and the website or the video does not answer them, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you are interested in this 64 Galaxie or any of the other vehicles you see on today's video or the website, and you're not in Florida, please don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website, as we do offer shipping. About 65 to 70% of what we sell does leave the state, so we are fully accustomed to remote buying and can manage the shipping process. The shippers we use are fully insured and bonded to make sure your car arrives safe and sound and in the condition you purchase it in. If you have financing needs or would like to finance, please visit the website as well, classiccarsofsarasota.com. There is a finance tab, and you can fill out the finance application. We'll get you over to the bank and get you approved, and you can get your dream car. Again, sorry, the engine bay is a little dark here. We do have lights on the underside. It doesn't really light it up, but as I mentioned, visit the website for additional pictures. You will see the engine bay outside, much better pictures of this 64 Galaxie in the R-Code Tribute with the 427. See dual carburetors on it. Does have wood brakes up front, disc brakes in the back. I believe there are drums. Just beautiful metallic blue paint over the black interior. Bench seat in the back, buckets up front. Traditional style. We'll go ahead and let's see, it's a cold start. As you can see, everything is cold here. We'll go ahead and start this 427 up. Again, it is a big block, so it does need to warm up a little bit. The vehicle is a automatic. Does have a digital Bluetooth radio. Does look like Volvo style. Again, just beautiful vehicle. Internal and external is Ford Galaxie. the 427. As I mentioned, our code tribute. Let it warm up a little bit. You can hear the dual exhaust. Again, the underside you can't really see here. It's absolutely stunning when you see it on the website. You see the pictures of the bottom. Let the car warm up a little bit here. Engine sounds fantastic, runs very well. As I mentioned, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. You can hear the engine, sounds fantastic. Very healthy. Just a very well restored Ford Galaxie XL 500XL, again in 427, powered V8, automatic transmission. It is our code tribute, but just very, very well done. You will not find a nicer vehicle out there. This is very well done. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, and appreciate you joining in. Thank you.